Mellow. Should we go to the beach? I bet you're going to get a rug.
Yeah.
Don't get that. I don't want your ball.
Well, when she gets wet.
Okay. Are you going to go? Where's your ball? Good girl. Good
Do you
girl.
change your colour? Because
Yeah, let's change our colour because we don't really want that one going in the sea and getting wet, do we?
because it's got a beautiful flower on it. And that bit doesn't have hair either. This bit, chain bit doesn't have either. Because
There you go. You like your collar, don't you? You got it?
yeah.
Okay, good dog. Good dog. Gonna get ready? Let's go to the beach. You lost your ball? Where's your ball
Fish
going?
come.
Where's it going?
Can
Where's
fish
it
come?
going? Where's your ball going?
Can fish come?
No, fish can't come. Good girl, good girl. Okay.
Look, he's so
Girl,
cute.
no, you can't come.
Anyway.
No, you can't come. Right, Mellow, sit. Mellow.
That's it. Ready? No. Mellow.
No. Oi, sit. Mellow,
How dare she?
sit. Finally, what's it? Up, sit.
She's like, I don't want to sit.
Good girl. Right, where you going? Do you want to go to the beach? Come on in. Come on in.
What are you doing?
Whoa, hello.
Okay.
Right, we've got a lead in the car already.
Oh, okay.
So,
Wait.
wait.
Do you
Ready?
just put the towel over?
Yeah, put the towel over there a little bit so,
So that she doesn't scratch it.
yeah,
She jumps
exactly.
up so viciously.
Way, there you go. Good girl.
Okay, that's her lead and this flashy light so that we don't lose her. I don't even know it works.
I think it might have gone flat, but
Probably.
that's fine. We've got a torch as well, look, so we'll just use a torch.
Bye, Mellow. Enjoy the bite.
Okay, just some wellies because we're going to the beach, Pooch, okay? Okay with that? Okay, good girl. Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl. Yeah. Okay, you happy with that? Yeah? Good girl. Try and look a bit pleased. Always happens. Always happens to me.
Yeah, there's always a red light.
Every time. Every train, every traffic light.
I can hear Mellow in the back.
I can hear Mellow in the back as well. I think
Almost there, yay! I think Mellow's excited.
she's excited.
It's very bumpy.
Well, it should be cold. It's 3.5 degrees.
Yeah. It actually is.
Okay, here we are down at Littlehampton West Beach, so it's completely dark, and we're going to take Mellow for a walk on the beach in the dark.
Yeah,
Okay.
she's in the back.
Yep, you ready? Should we jump out?
Huh?
You ready? Should we jump out?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll
We'll
come around and
get
get you. Here we go. Lead on.
Good.
Sit. Good girl. Wait. Okay, and then just go straight out. Jump down. Good girl. Here we go.
Are you taking your torch?
Yeah, I'll take a torch. Good girl. Okay. So here we are. She gets very excited.
Yeah, she likes the beach.
Says love the beach. Could you make her walk properly, please, Dan? Right, Mellow.
Yeah.
So this is why we wear the other lead with the thing over her nose.
Over the nose, and it's because we've got it.
Yeah, so that makes her pull a bit harder. So make sure she walks next to you.
She used to have.
Make sure she walks next to you. That's it.
She she used to have. Well, she does have a special collar thing that goes around her collar, but it's like gone flat, so we need some more batteries.
Yeah.
We'll see in a while.
I don't know. Let's have a look. Turn the torch on. Okay, so the tide is out. The sea is down there somewhere.
Yeah, we'll probably
So
go
that's the
up
harbour entrance there,
there. Yeah.
and it's stones, but you can hear the sea down there. Mellow wants to go for a run, so why don't you let her?
Yeah.
Why don't you?
Maybe on the sand though, just to make it
Yeah, we'll get down to the sand and then. Okay, so it's stony up at the top, but just down here is some lovely sand to walk on.
Wait, Mellow. So we always get to sit before we take the lead off.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, Mellow.
Wait.
Come, sit.
You? Off you.
Off you go.
She's really excited.
So she'll have a good old run around.
Probably eat sand.
Yeah. Hopefully she won't eat too much sand.
Oh,
And she likes to have a good dig.
Oh, and the sand is like really squishy here. But Mellow really likes it. I also always
This way. This way. This way. Good girl.
We don't really want her to go over the wooden thing.
Yeah, you have to. Yeah, you have to be a bit careful because all along here, you can't really see it very well, but all along here are these wooden groins.
Yeah,
And the other side of that is some deep water.
Like really deep water.
So we don't want her going down there.
Yeah.
And she's having a lovely time running around.
We would be able to see her better if she had a flashy top on, but it's broken.
So it's a bit hard to see. Sometimes you can just see her lights. See her eyes shining in the lights. Good girl. Well done, get down.
Yeah, now she's digging.
Yeah. Okay, so we're right next to the water. There's the sea. It's not really very wavy.
You could probably barely see it.
A few little bits coming in. She does like a swim normally, but it is quite dark at the moment.
We'll eventually do a morning or day walk.
Yeah, we will. And, you know, it's
mainly because I'm at school.
we're mostly walking her at night at the moment. She had a lovely walk this morning, but the beach is a perfect place to come and walk her in the dark because you can't really get in any trouble, can you, Pooch? Hey, go on in, good girl. Apart from getting a bit wet.
Yeah.
But she does like a little splash around. Normally she'd go for a nice big swim. It must be really cold in there.
In the distance.
It is. It's very hazy at the moment. You can't really see it on here, but it is.
Oh, in the water.
It is very hazy and foggy.
Yeah.
Okay, so she's had a little run around, and it's time to pop her back on the lead. Just because we don't really want her to go over the wall and into the river.
Yeah, that would be bad.
Come on in. Let's go back to the car. So here we are back at the car. Wait. Let's take this off. Take that off. Wait, Mellow. Right, if you step back.
I'm just putting the towel.
Oh yeah, put the towel across there. Thank you very much. Okay, big jump. Ready? Hop.
Oh, maybe not over.
Good girl. That's fine. She's up. Good girl.
Oh, you're wet.
That's it. Thank you very much. Good girl.